Hi everyone, my name is Monica Rodriguez. I'm the Education Manager here at Londontown. So today, I'm going to explain some of our nail care products in makeup terms. So first up is primer. If you're interested in a tacky base, I would use our Grip Lock base coat. It's going to leave you a kind of sticky finish when it dries down that's going to grip onto polish, keep it on, and keep it chip free. If you're looking to fill in ridges, I would use our Tinted Ridge Fillers in either apricot or petal. If you like a lit from within glow, I would use our Illuminating Nail Concealers. These are viral bestsellers that come in 4 milky sheer shades that are perfect for brightening any sort of discoloration. If you like a blurred satin look, I would use our Perfecting Nail Veils. These come in 9 shades with both neutral and pop options that are all sheer washes of color. If you love a blush look, use our Sheer Strength Nail Blush. These come in 2 shades, Poppy and Concord, for a natural flush look. If you're going for a highlighted look, I would use our Shimmering Nail Highlighters. Now that we have the look, we need to lock it all in with a top coat, kind of like a setting powder. If you like a high shine finish, try our high gloss top coat. If you like a velvet finish, try our matte top coat. And finally, setting spray. Use our accelerating drying drops to dry it all down fast. I hope that was helpful. Remember, nails should be fun, so don't be afraid to mix and match and try new things. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what other videos you want to see from us. Bye. Oh my god.
Yes, that was perfect. That was perfect. I didn't even notice. I can fix that.
You can.
Yes.
Make sure you see things like